Alright, back to my little kitchen again. This time around, rice cooker recipe again. You know, like that, throw things in the rice cooker and the next 45 minutes, you're gonna get a very nice meal. This with a little bit of Indonesian herbs that I love to use herbs. And then the turmeric's bright yellow color, it's really make this dish very full of flavor and also very presentable. And because of this a few herbs in it, it's really bring up the taste of this simple dish. Easy to make as usual, and yeah, pack of protein. What you need to do, just add a vegetable. You can even put firm vegetable if you want to put it in, like snake beans or green bean. You can put it into the rice cooker as well, but this time I'm not putting anything because I like to have a vegetable on the side, and Tasha always prefer the green leafy vegetable. That's why it's not for that green leafy vegetables in the rice cooker. But salad on the side is also a good thing. Try. I'm sure you're gonna make this again and again. Let's check it out how to make it.
you.